Okay.
What was that, Mom?
What?
I don't really want to hold this.
Yes, you do. Just put your hands out. Okay, you already did this earlier. Put your hands. Come on, we can't make this. Okay. Just let it. It's okay. It's just a little animal. Let it. It's okay. It's just friendly. Weta. Just get to know it.
Better not poop or something on me.
Just get to know it. It's so.
It's gonna poop on me.
It's not gonna poop. It just came out of the cage. Get it. Oh, look it.
Ooh, nice, cute. Very pretty.
Crawl up there. Weta. It's
Get
okay.
it off. Get it off. Get it off. Don't.
Okay, let's try again.
It's not gonna shit on you.
Let's try again. Okay, no. Be nice. It's nice. It's nice.
It won't bite you.
But it's a rodent.
He's never bit me.
It's not.
I'm not afraid of it biting me.
Well, then what's the problem?
It's the claws or something.
It likes you.
Don't you do it. Ah! Get it off. Get it off, Karen. Get it off. Okay, I'm done.
No, you're not.
No.
You're not.
You haven't bonded with the animal yet.
Hold on to it. Hold on to it. Bring it up to your mouth.
What's its name? Peanut?
Yeah.
Bring it up to your mouth.
No.
Give it a kiss.
No.
Yes, give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss. Give it a kiss.
No, it got stuff on it.
Give it a kiss. Come on.
So do the dogs.
Give it a kiss.
You give kisses
Give
to
it
the
a kiss.
dogs.
No, I don't want to.
Give it a kiss.
No, I will not give it a kiss.
Yes, you will. By the end of this, you will.
Ah! Get it off! I can't! Ah! Get it off! Get it off! Okay, that's it. I'm done. I'm done.
Hey, you're not done yet.
Yes, I'm not giving it a kiss, Karen.
Okay, hold on to it.
I'll hold it. I'll hold it.
Okay.
Okay. Hello, Peanut.
Okay. You done so well. Look at you. Wouldn't
I've
even
done
hold
better
it.
before.
You would.
Mom, you're gonna squish him.
Well, stop it, you guys.
Hold on to it. Hold it. If it starts to go up, you just put your hand in front of it.
How
so
much money are you gonna give me?
You're doing so well. You wouldn't
Okay,
even
hold
hold it earlier.
Wait.
You wouldn't even hold it earlier.
Mom.
Look at now.